Hey guys, welcome again in TechnoWaves, your one-stop channel for latest tech updates and gadget reviews. So today I'm going to show you another video of earpods not connecting of your phone's mobile Bluetooth. But this video is for those users that using NoiseBuds VS102 Pro. So I'm going to show you how to connect your earpods to your mobile's Bluetooth that is not connecting, or you're facing some types of issues. So I will show you how to connect and reset it. So the first off, this is my Noise earbuds VS102 Pro earbuds, and if you want to see unboxing and testing video, so go and check it out in our YouTube channel. So I will also provide the video link in the description, so go and check it out. So let's get started. So the first step will be open your case and try to connect on your mobile's Bluetooth. For that you have to go to settings and turn on your Bluetooth and off, and retry and tap to turn on again, so it will refreshes your Bluetooth. Now check your device name here, NoiseBuds VS102 Pro, and it's loading and it's not connecting, guys. You can see many people are facing this type of issues, so don't worry, I will make you to fix that issue. So you have seen it is not connecting. So for that, open the case of your Noise earbuds and remove the right earbud. Here in our brand model there is no reset button. In our case they have provided this feature inside this right earbud, so we have to press this brand 10 seconds. It will light up the lightning here indicator, you can see here 2 times, and it is 3 times, yeah, for 15 seconds. Now it is reset. Now take your phone and go back to your Bluetooth settings and find out your device name in the list or in available devices, NoiseBuds VS102 Pro. Go here and forget this device. Pairing unsuccessful. Let's go back to Bluetooth setting. Now open up your case. Now search your device name in the available devices. It is now you can see in the other available devices, NoiseBuds VS102 Pro is available now. Tap on and it is connected. If you close this case, you will automatically disconnected. If you open this case, you will be directly connected. You can see NoiseBuds VS102 Pro is connected. Then shut down again, it will disconnected. Then again open it, it is automatically connected. So guys, it is very simple tricks to fix your Bluetooth not connecting issues. So guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to TechnoWaves and like our video, share it, and please click that bell icon so you can never miss any updates from our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.